All right, so these are the clear corners, you know, no more amber. And then if you go over here, my stock ones, they're all faded, all cracked up, and then this ugly amber color. So the only thing you have to do is just pull these tabs out that are right here, and then just disconnect them. It's not that much of a process. Okay, now that the clear corners are in, we're gonna be installing the Mach 1. As you can see, it just looks like there's something missing on the bottom, so we're gonna install that. This is a new day. I tried to install the Mach 1 lip the other day, but it didn't work because I had to drill new holes, because the holes that were already on this bumper are for the Cobra bumper, so they won't fit the Mach 1. So yeah, I had to lift up the car and then drill new holes. You know, it fit pretty good. And I went ahead and installed the fog lights. And I highly recommend installing the Mach 1 lip and the fog lights before you put on the bumper. It's gonna make it way better. So this is the final look. And thank you for watching.